Creating a construction budget can seem like an intimidating task to many, especially if you've never tackled a large or unfamiliar project before. Even small renovation jobs can involve juggling multiple costs, labor expenses, and unexpected fees. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll go over 3 easy steps to create your construction budget with confidence. First, start with clear project scope and set up your tools. Every budget starts with a well-defined scope. Know exactly what you're building or renovating, and outline your goals such as budget limits and deadlines. Then set up your spreadsheet. Whether you use Excel, Google Sheets, or something more advanced, organize your tabs by materials, labor, overhead, and contingencies. Use color coding and formulas to track everything clearly. Pro tip: check out templates from the Small Business Administration at sba.gov or use conditional formatting to keep an eye on cost overruns. Second, estimate expenses realistically, then add a buffer. Break down material and labor costs in detail. Research vendor pricing, calculate delivery fees, and don't forget to factor in taxes. Labor costs should include daily rates, expected hours, and any overtime if you're on a tight timeline. On top of that, make room for hidden costs like insurance, permits, or unexpected equipment failures. Pro tip: set aside 10 to 20% for contingencies depending on how complex your project is. Third, track your spending and keep your budget flexible. Review your budget weekly or bi-weekly. Compare estimates to actual costs and adjust future spending. Track change orders separately because they will come up. A flexible, living spreadsheet is your best friend. And if you want to go beyond spreadsheets, Aptora's construction software can automate it all, saving time and reducing errors. Pro tip: set calendar reminders to review your budget at key milestones, like after material purchases or contractor billing cycles. These quick check-ins help catch issues early. Creating a solid construction budget does not have to be complicated. With a clear scope, the right tools, and regular updates, you can manage costs confidently and keep your projects on track. But there's more. Click the link in the description to read the full article that outlines several more important points that you need to know. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.